Before Gardenary, I had just finished my health certification and I was still working full-time in the financial services industry. I have a love for gardening. Gardening's personal for me. It helped me reclaim my health, and even though I was an avid gardener for 10 years, the program offered so much more. I thought that I could expand my knowledge. My life has changed since I started my garden business. I love inspiring other people to grow their own food and connect to their food, and I also believe that there's such a connection that can be formed when you bring it into the kitchen and you have that garden to table experience. It really deepens relationships and connections within families. I believe anybody can be a gardener, so whether you're a new gardener and you want to, kind of learn the Gardenary way, or if you want to enhance your skills. Even though we had been gardening for a long time, I learned so much more knowledge and skills to really enhance my gardening. This course was the foundation for my business. I never thought I could integrate the gardening and my love for health together, and it really laid out the foundation for starting the business, processes. I don't think I would have been able to start my business without Gardenary. Nicole has exceeded my expectations in every program that I've been in with her, and I think it's been a great example for the leader that I want to be and how she set the bar high, and it's just something that you're always looking to achieve and work harder and improve, and my business wouldn't be where it was at without her leadership.